Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is equipped with the Sport Appearance package. You've got your running boards on the side here, keyless entry door pad, power window controls over here, you've got power adjustable foot pedals, interior lighting controls, power driver's seat, manual passenger seat, cloth interior. Go ahead and start it up. You've got your infotainment screen here with display mode, trip and fuel towing, off-road, and driver settings. Cruise control on the left, hands-free calling on the right with media controls. Your Sync 3 sound system has built-in hotspot, Ford Pass, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and more. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Trailer backup assist. Your climate controls are down here. Under this compartment, you've got a storage for change and 2 USB ports. Center console shifter, leather armrest. Over here you have a 12-volt outlet with a 400-watt household plug. Coming out of the back, you've got your sport badge on the side here. Paint matched bumper for the paint of the truck. Trailer hitch installed. You get a rear view camera right below the tailgate latch. Drop-in bed liner. You can take a look at the truck bed here. Back seat is quite spacious. Lots of leg room, storage for papers back here. 2 more cup holders, another 12-volt outlet, 2 more USB ports, and another household plug. You can charge several devices up in here. Cloth seats, you get a nice little stitching here on the seats. You get a dome light back here for the rear passengers. Back around to the front, paint match bumper on the front, halogen headlights and fog lights. You've got a gunmetal metallic grille. Come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this Ford F-150.